mechanic right now, and my car is just too freaking loud, man. Oh, you hear that? Dang. Let me see who's in here. Hard at work. What's up, Slim? What's going on? The master mechanic in this boy.
How would you take that up to
About to walk in the store. Yeah. Production. How you doing, Miss K? So tell me why I just walked into the what's it called? You not gonna tell me the name of it again? And I'm just videoing stuff and people is in here. Yes, you do look. And that's how I'm videoing it right now. Raining in the D. It's raining in the D. Alright, vlog world. I'm about to leave work. Trying to check if I got everything. My charger, wallet, keys, camera battery. Alright, so I'm about to go to the movies. Do it for the vlog. Hello. Alright guys, so this girl lived like all the way out by the Detroit Metropolitan Airport. It's damn near a 40-minute drive. Like, woof. Hopefully I have a nice time. Ice time. Christ time. Mind time. I'm not a rapper. But yeah. That big giant tire over there. Need that on my car. I'm gonna definitely need that tire on my car. Y'all see how giant that is? Come here, tire.
I'm really not.
Yes, she is.
Fat.
You look fat? Yeah, you do. Look at them thighs, girl. Thunder thighs in this motherfucker. I'm about to fry her life. Watch this. What movie theater is close? Hurry up, Siri. You cooking me right now. Why you trying to make me spend all my cash?
I'm not.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Hey.
Free Wi-Fi what?
Free Wi-Fi.
Oh, this shit look expensive as hell. They got people. Oh, shit. Go ahead. All right. So dinner, movie. It's time to get back to the day. I'm trying to force somebody to eat fried pickles and stuff.
Here.
I can't take that. I'm sorry.
Yes, you can.
Y'all see this? That look absolutely disgusting. I'm not eating that. You burning up? You burning up? So he was like, come closer. And then what?
And then I came closer, but not close like he wanted me to come close. And then he got the rubbing on my legs. I'm like, okay, as long as he don't go nowhere else, that's fine. But then he started, you know, touching my woo-woo.
Touching your woo-woo? Yo, woo-woo! This motherfucker.
And then, no, he took his pants down with thoughts. He was about to do something, but no. I said no.
He took his pants down?
Yeah. He took his pants off.
So why you have my mans like that?
Because it wasn't that type of party.
It wasn't that type of party?
No.
So that's it? Man, so we just got our food after like 2 hours of waiting. Look at that. Now look. You know what I'm saying? She over there trying to be a model and junk. Why she gotta get a salad? Why she gotta follow your boy? You know what I'm saying?
No.
Alright, I'm about to smash this though. I'm starving. Alright, so this girl trying to make me spend $200 on dinner tonight. And she want to go to the movies, and after the movie she want to go take a boat ride. Like, is you trying to make me commit suicide? Like what's your problem? Tell the people. see this menu right here? Y'all see this? Look at that, $600 for that one thing. I ain't gonna show y'all though, because it's crazy. It's so crazy, man.
I really cannot eat you.
You cannot what with me?
I can't.
But yeah, just chilling like a villain, you know.
Bang,
You know how we
bang,
do it.
fish tacos.
Bang bang shit. What?
Bang bang.
You see what I'm talking about? Now she talking about she wanna blow up tacos in this boy and shit.